Good morning children. I am going to take class for 7th standard English. So in the previous class we learnt about the memory poem, the listeners. Now we will go to the first unit 1. First lesson is Eidgah. Now children, in India we celebrate many festivals like Diwali, Christmas, Ramzan, Bakrid, Holi, like this type of festivals, many festivals we celebrate. Now in this lesson we are going to say about Eidgah, that is about the Muslims festival. Now the Muslims, what is Eidgah is? The Muslims who perform namaz in this place is called as a Eidgah. So the Muslims gather and perform namaz is called as a Eidgah. Now first is the characters in this lesson is Hamid is granny, that is grandmother, Amina and his friends Mohsin, Mahmood, Noori and Sami. So these are the characters in this lesson. Now the lesson starts with how wonderful and beautiful was the morning of Eid. So in this lesson we are going to see about the festival of Ramzan Muslims, that is Eid. How wonderful and beautiful was the morning of Eid. The trees looked green, the field more festive. Festive means grand. Festive means grand. Grand and happy. Grand and happy. The sky had a lovely pink glow. The sun was bright and more dazzling. Dazzling means very bright. Dazzling, very bright. So dazzling means very bright. Then before, to wish the world a very happy Eid. So even the sun was bright and the sun was wishing a very happy Eid. The village was filled with excitement. Excitement means thrill. Excitement means thrill. So the village was fully thrilled. Everyone was up early to go to the Eidgah. So what do the Muslims do during the Ramzan time? They get up early to go to Eidgah to perform namaz. So as it here also in this village, everyone wake up early and was going to the Eidgah. So Eidgah means what I said, the Muslims gather and perform namaz in the place is called as a Eidgah. The boys were more excited than the others. So the children were more excited. They had been talking about it all the time. So before the Ramzan came, the children were talking more about the Eid. Finally the day had come. So now your day had come and now they were impatient. Impatient means very anxious. Impatient means anxious. So they were very anxious. They were taking their treasure out of their pockets, that is money, counting and recounting it before putting it back. So they took out the money and they were counting how many money they had. Mahmood counted 1, 2, 10, 12. So Mahmood, how many he had? 12 coins. So Mahmood had 12 coins. Then Mohsin had 1, 2, 3, 8, 9. How many coins? 15 coins. Then with this, so Mahmood had how many coins? 12 coins and Mohsin had 15 coins. So with this money what they want to do? They would buy countless things, many things like toys, sweets, paper pipes, rubber balls and many more. So they wanted to buy with this coins they had. The happiest of the boys was Hamid. So who was the happiest boy? Hamid. He was only 4, thin and poorly dressed. So he was poorly dressed, he was very thin. Last year his father had died of cholera. So Hamid's father died of cholera. Then his mother also died. So he had no father nor a mother. From then Hamid lived with his old granny Amina and was as happy as a lark. So what is a lark? Lark is a singing bird. Lark is a singing bird. So they were happy as a lark. So Hamid, he didn't have this father nor his mother, so he is living with his grandmother Amina. She told him that his father had gone to earn money. So she didn't say to Hamid that his father had died. So instead of that, what did he say? He had gone to earn money, and that his mother had gone to Allah to buy gifts for him. This made Hamid very happy. So he didn't say that his father and mother died. So he was very 4 only. So he don't know what she is saying. So she said that his father is going to earn money and his mother has gone to Allah to get gifts for him. So he was very happy. Hamid had no shoes on his feet. So he had no shoes. The cap on his head was soiled. Soiled means dirty, and tattered, that is torn. Soiled means dirty. Soiled, dirty, and tattered means torn. Tattered means torn. So he had no shoes on his feet and the cap on his head was dirty and torn. He knew that his father would come back with sack full of silver. So he thought that his father will come back with sack full of silver and his mother with gifts from Allah. Then he would have more than Mahmud, Mohsin, Nuri and Sami. So all his friends had many coins with him and many toys. They want to buy many things, but this boy didn't have anything. So he had, without shoes he was there, and his cap was full of dirty and torn. So he thought his father will bring all the full bag full of silver and his mother with full of gifts. So he would have more than his friends. Hamid's granny Amina was sad. It was Eid and she didn't even have a handful of grains with her. So she was very sad. If only her son was there, it would have been a different kind of Eid. So his son has died. But if he would have there, the Eid would have been different. The festival would have been different. Hamid went to his grandmother and said, "Granny, I'll be the first to get back. Don't worry. So I'll come soon. Don't worry." But Amina was worried. Other boys were going out with their fathers. So other children were going with their fathers. But this boy went alone. So she left him to go to the fair all by himself. Hamid left with the other boys. So the other boys he also left. Hamid was like one with wings on his feet. So what is wings on his feet? That is running fast. So wings on his feet is running fast. Wings on his feet means running fast. So what is wings on his face? He was running fast. They ran on ahead of the elders and waited for them under a tree. So they ran first. The elders were coming at the back and they were standing under a tree. They reached the suburbs. What is suburbs? That is outlying area of a town. Outer area of a town. So outer area of a town. They went to the suburbs of the town. On both the sides in the town, on both the sides, the road were big houses of the rich. So there were many big houses. In the gardens, mango and lychee trees were full of fruits. So they went in the town. What did they saw? They were full of many big houses and the gardens with mango and lychee trees with full of fruits. Then they came across the stores of the sweets vendors, those who were selling the sweets, all decorated so gaily. Gaily means bright colors. So gaily means bright colors. So all the stalls were decorated with bright colors. Every store had sweets piled up in heaps like mountains. So what did we see, children? So Hamid, his grandmother Amina and his friends Mohsin, Mahmud, Nouri and Sami. Mahmud had 12 coins and Mohsin had 15 coins. So what did they do? They went to the town. So when they went to the town, soon the roads began to be crowded. So when they went, what happened? In the town, the roads were fully crowded. Many people were there. Some people were on tongas and ekkas, some in motor cars, many vehicles were there. And all wearing perfumes, that is scent. All were wearing perfumes, all bursting with excitement. All were happy. Then the children were calm and contented a lot. For village children, everything in the town was wonderful. What happens when the village children went into the town? All were different for them. They were very wonderful to see different stalls, different shops, everything like toys, sweets, so different they were. So when the village children went to the town, it was very wonderful for them. So whatever caught their eye, whatever they saw, they stood and stared at it with wonder. Stared, gaped means stared. Gaped, stared. So they stared with wonder. At last, the Eidgah came into view. So at last, where did they saw? They saw the Eidgah. So already I said where the Muslims perform namaz. So they saw that place. They were row upon row of worshippers. So there were many rows standing. So all the Muslims were standing row by row as far as the eye could see. So there were many rows. And newcomers lined themselves behind the ones already there. So those who came late, they were standing behind the ones who were already there. So many people were standing and were performing namaz. The prayer was over. So now namaz got over. So prayer was over. Men embraced with each other. So they start embracing each other after the prayer. They descended on the sweet and toy wonders, stores like an army moving to attack. So they went to the sweet and toy vendors. There was a merry-go-round with wooden, that is made of wood. Merry-go-round with wooden elephants, horses and camels. So there were wooden elephants, horses and camels. You paid 1 paisa and had 25 rounds of fun. So if you pay 1 paisa, how many rounds you can make? 25 rounds. So Mahmud, Mohsin and Nouri and the other boys mounted, that is mounted means climbed. Climbed the horses and camels. So what happened? So when they came to the road was full of crowded. Many people were there and some people went in tongas, ekas, these are the many vehicles you can found there. So all were happy. The children were calm, and when the village children came to the town, they saw everything in a wonderful manner. That is, everything was wonderful for them. At last, the Eidgah who they want to go came into view. Many Muslims were standing and having namaz there, row by row, many rows were there. And those who came late, they were standing behind the ones who came already there. And as the prayer was over, they started embracing each other. After they finished their namaz, where did they do? They went to the sweet stalls and toy stalls. So then they had a merry-go-round with wooden elephants, horses and camels. So Hamid's friends also mounted on it and went. So that is 1 paisa. 1 paisa means, and for that 25 rounds you can go. Now children, for next class we will continue this story. Now you can take down the meanings for this. So listen here, this is the first one, second, third, fourth, fifth, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So, festive means grand and happy. Then dazzling, very bright. Excitement, thrilled. Impatient, anxious. Gaily, bright colors. Gaped, stared. Mountain, climbed. Lark, it's a singing bird. Soiled means dirty. Tattered, torn. Wings on his feet, running fast. Suburbs, that is outlying area of a town. Outlying area of a town. So these are the meanings, children. So you be thorough with this. Then I'll ask you a question, children. Finally, the day had come. Here the day refers to, so the day refers to here is Eid. So the day refers to here is Eid. Then with their treasure, the boys would buy, what did they buy? Toys and rubber balls. So they buy toys and rubber balls in the town. So what did the boys buy, children? Toys and rubber balls. Hamid's friends are, so what are the friends' name? Mahmood, Mohsin, Noori and Sami. So there were 4 friends for him. Then, if only her son was there, it would have been a different kind of Eid. What had happened to her son? Her son had died. So Amina's son had died. Then, Hamid was like one with wings on his feet. What is the meaning of wings on his feet? So I already said wings on his feet means running fast. Did you understand, children? So I already said about this. Now next we'll see in the next half of the lesson, we'll see in the next class, children. Thank you.